Let's unbox this together. I'm so excited to show you. Shinjuku Halal Food sent me a box full of essentials. And I was honestly so impressed with how neatly everything was packed. Even the glass bottles were bubble wrapped and there were no leaks at all. They've got all your halal meats, spices, fresh veggies, oils, and more in one place. Super convenient, you can just order online and get it all delivered to your doorstep. If you love quality and ease, definitely check them out. Shinjuku Halal Food makes grocery shopping stress-free. Can't wait to cook up something delicious with these ingredients. Stay tuned for the recipes.